At Mr. Chain, we've created a series of products committed to meeting safety and crowd control needs. For the past several years, we've added at least one new safety or crowd control product each year to meet our customers' needs. New for 2016 is our cone chain connector. Used with any size traffic cone, the C3 creates a visual barrier.
Using the C3 is easy. Simply slide it over the top of any cone, connect the chain, and create a visual barrier. This means that traffic cones can be spaced farther apart, needing fewer cones to create a visual barrier.
And if a vehicle does drive between cones, the chain will fall but cause no damage to the vehicle. The C3 is great for parking lots, construction sites, and warehouses, or anywhere traffic cones can be used. The Cone Chain Connector, another innovative safety product from Mr. Chain.
Proudly made in the USA by me,
by me,
and by me.